Hello students, I am Professor Dr. Amit K. Reddy. Today I am going to discuss with you root words. As you have already heard about it, but most of the students think that this is a very difficult topic to discuss with, but it is not so. The root words have their own importance to crack any competitive exams including NDA, CDS, FCAT, SSC, etc. So if you want to crack your defense exam like NDA, CDS and FCAT, you are requested to go through the whole topic, because this root words topic will be in parts, so that you might be able to understand what I will discuss with you in detail. So first of all, you will have to know that what is a root word. What is a root word? So a root word is a form that the root word is a word that form the basis of a new word. Means with the help of root words, new words are formed. Means to say that with the help of root words, new words are formed. One thing, how they are formed? Either by adding suffix or prefix. Either by adding suffix, or you can say suffixes or prefixes. So to form a word, most of the root words are taken from Spanish, Greek, Latin, etc. in English language. If I talk about medical science, so you will be amazed to know that more than 60% words in medical science have been fetched from Greek language. In literature, if I talk about literature, so there is a lot of Latin in British literature and Spanish in American literature. A lot of Latin in British literature and Spanish in American literature. So, proceeding further, I tell you that, hence I am going to discuss with you important root words which help in solving the problems like one word substitution. Number 2, antonyms. Number 3, synonyms, and idioms and phrases. These also help us to make our vocabulary of English more stronger and stronger. So let us start. If you understand that what is a root word. So a root word is a word which is used to form a sentence, either form a word either by adding a prefix or a suffix, and a new word is generated or created. These root words are mainly taken from Spanish, Greek and Latin language. In medical science, you will have come to know that more than 60% of words in medical science have been taken from Greek language. If I talk about British literature, so more than 55% words are taken from Latin, and what say of American literature, 50% words have been taken from Spanish language. So that is why it is very compulsory to understand that what are these root words and how they play their role in English language and in our day-to-day life. One thing, and other thing, how can be able to answer the questions related to them. Either that is related to NDA exam, CDS, FCAT, SSC, etc. So let us start, and one by one I will discuss you all the important root words. The number is very large. The number of these root words is very large, but I will discuss you on the basis of which questions are asked in the competitive examinations, mainly in NDA and CDS, mainly in NDA and CDS. So dear students, my first word is the. My first word is the, and its origin is Greek. Its origin is Greek. Other, I take the meaning of Greek. If I take the meaning of this word the from Greek language, so meaning is God or religion. God or religion. So come to the first point, theist. Theist, so you know, THE plus IST, THE plus IST और IST मीन्स होता है फॉलोअर. IST is used for the person follower. Follower के for the person we use IST, and the means God, means the person, a person who believes in God or religion is called theist. A person who believes in God or religion is called theist. Who believes in God or religion is called theist. My second word is atheist. Atheist. As you know, the meaning of theist, God, ist is follower. The meaning of A is no. According to Greek grammar, the meaning of A is no. So now formula becomes A plus the plus east. Means to say that a person who do not believe in God. A person who do not believe in God. Follow means a kind of belief. A kind of belief. So theist, when I say theist, means a person who believes in God or who follows God. Atheist, in Greek language, the meaning of A is no or not. No or not. I write it here also. No or not. Means to say that a person who do not believes in God. Who do not believe in God. So these were the concept of theist or atheist. My next word is monotheist. Monotheist. Now crack this. Mono plus the plus east. मोनो का मीन्स होता है सिंगल, मीन्स वन. वन who believes one who believes in one God. One who believes in one God is called monotheist. Monotheist. Next word is polytheist. Polytheist. Now crack this word. Poly plus the plus ist, and meaning of poly is many. Meaning of poly is many. So we can say that one who believes in many gods. Many gods. So monotheist is the person who believes in one God, and polytheist is the person who believes in one God. Pantheist. My last word is pantheist. Now open this word. Pan plus the plus ist. And dear students, here the meaning of pan is all over the world. All over the world. All over the world. ठीक है? So means pantheist means one who believe in gods of all religions. Is that clear? Pantheist means a new word is this. Pantheist means a person. Pan means all over the world. All over the world. So there are so many religions or gods across the world. So one who believes in gods of all religions. Gods of all religions. So dear students, my first root word was the, which Greek meaning is God or religion. When I say a person who believes in God or religion is called theist. When we say a person who do not believe in God, that is called a theist, because a means no, means who do not follow God. The person who do not follow God becomes or is called a theist. Another thing, monotheist. So crack the word. Mono plus the plus east means mono means single. Single stands for one, and a person who believes in one God is called monotheist. Similarly, polytheist, a person who believes in many gods is called polytheist. But this is very important, pantheist. Pan stands for all over the world. Pan stands for all over the world. So here we say that a person who believes in the gods of all religions. The gods of all religions. If I am a Hindu and I believe in all Hindu gods, it means I am polytheist. If I am a Hindu and I believe in only one God, it means I am monotheist. But even being a Hindu, I believe in all gods of all religions across the world. I will be called pantheist. And I hope this will be clear to you. So today, in this video, I discussed only what is the root word. Where are these root words, the origin of these root words? What is the importance of these root words? And I took a very simple examples of the, in most of the cases in English language, root words are taken from Greek language. So what is the role of root word? The role of root words is to form new word either by adding suffixes or prefixes. So hence today I discussed you only one topic and one root word, and that was the. In the next video I will discuss more than one, I may 2 or 3 one by one, and I will make different parts for your convenience. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Thanks.